In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign into your TD Bank online banking portal. Before you enter any account details, make sure you're on the official TD Bank website and that your connection is secure. This is a simple but important habit whenever you're handling online banking, especially if you're linking another account or moving money between banks. Once you're logged in, look for the transfers menu. This is where TD Bank organizes options for moving money between your accounts and to outside banks. Click on transfers and then choose add external account. This option is used when you want to connect an account from another bank so you can send money to it directly from TD Bank. At this point, you'll be asked to enter the routing number and checking account number for your Bank of America account. Be careful when typing this information because even one incorrect digit can cause delays or send the transfer setup in the wrong direction. It's a good idea to double check both numbers before continuing. Usually the routing number identifies the bank, while the checking account number identifies your specific account. After entering the account details, TD Bank may ask you to verify the external account using small trial deposits. If that happens, TD Bank will send a couple of very small amounts to your Bank of America checking account. You'll need to check your Bank of America account, note those exact deposit amounts, and then return to TD Bank to confirm them. This verification step helps prove that you own the account and adds an extra layer of security to the transfer process. If prompted, complete that verification before moving on. Once the external account is verified and ready to use, return to the transfer section. Enter the dollar amount you want to send, then choose your Bank of America account as the destination. Take a moment to review the transfer details, including the amount and destination account, so you can catch any mistakes before the money is sent. When everything looks correct, click Send to complete the transfer. After submitting it, watch for a confirmation message or reference number so you know the request went through successfully. Keep in mind that transfers between banks can take some time to process, so the money may not appear instantly. And that's how to transfer money from TD Bank to Bank of America.